Look at this Instagram profile. This is an AI influencer. This is not a real human person. And look at this profile. This is also an AI influencer, and this is also not a real person. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of AI influencers. Let's dig into the how you can create the AI influencer. If you see this AI influencer, you can see all of these images, but there is a bit difference. If you focus on the images, there are some differences on these images, okay, but these are not much difference, but these are the similar, all of these, because if you see this face, there is no marks on the face, but if you see this, there are some marks on the face. So first of all, we are going to create the AI influencer with the chatgpt and the meta.ai. First of all, we are going to specify the character specifications of our AI influencer. For example, I go into ChatGPT and give this prompt. I'm making a permanent AI influencer that is hot 24 to 30 years old girl with almost great actors figures. Write me a character specifications that I'm gonna use for this all time for consistent output results. So when I will give this input, it will give us the character specification for this AI influencer. For example, physical appearance, fashion style, and personality tone, and branding consistency, and integration guidelines as well. So here I will get the physical appearance from this, because we are going to use this as well as. So I will get all of these information and save. Now we are going to generate our AI inflation. So generating the AI inflation for free, we will use meta.ai. In the meta.ai, you can generate unlimited images and the videos free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. So here we go into the meta, and we're gonna generate our first AI inflation image. So here I'm going to give a prompt here, and here I will select the images, and here I'll select the ratio. Here I just simply give the prompt, create an image and a girl eating tea on the beach, and here I just control plus shift enter, and I just copy the physical appearance of the model, and just copy the physical appearance text and paste here, because we need a consistent character for all results. So for all the results, we will give the prompt and give the physical appearance of the girl and hit enter, and within a few seconds it will give us the stunning results that we're gonna use. Now you can see this girl and this girl are mostly similar, but these two are not similar, so these are just little girls. So I just click here, and you can see this is a smooth image. I will download this. As if I go here, this image, and you look at this image, this is also amazing. I just download this image as well. So here this is another image. So here again I will keep these character specifications, and here I will change the text here for generating another image. For example, here I have given another prompt, a girl walking on the fashion carpet in a fashion show. So here again I will generate another image. Now you can see, look at this image. This is similar to our old image. You can see this one is another impressive image that we have generated. So this is how you can create your AI influencer and create the images or posters for your AI influencer platform, for example Instagram profiles and so on.